Recently, something devastating happened in Indore, a city that's often celebrated as one of the cleanest in India. In Bhagirathpura locality, at least 15 people, including a baby, lost their lives after drinking contaminated water. The families affected say that the outbreak of diarrhea and vomiting spread quickly, and it claimed lives over a period of days. Among the victims was a 6-month-old baby, whose family believes that the water mixed with milk powder caused his tragic death. His grandmother Krishna Sahu said it was hard to even think about compensation. Will the compensation bring him back to life? She asked. Her pain was clear in every word she spoke. As this tragedy unfolded, it did not take long for political leaders to speak out. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge were quick to criticize the lack of action from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the local BJP government. Rahul Gandhi pointed out that whenever the poor suffer, Modi stays silent. He questioned why local officials had ignored the repeated complaints about dirty, foul smelling water. How did sewage mix into the drinking water? Why wasn't the supply shut off sooner? He asked. Kharge also raised a major issue. Indore had just won the title of India's cleanest city for the 8th time in a row. But now, people are desperate for something as basic as clean drinking water. The cause of the contamination was soon confirmed, a leak in the water pipeline. The contaminated water had been flowing into homes for days and the results were disastrous. According to health officials, tests confirmed the water had been tainted. The health department quickly went to work with hundreds of people suffering from symptoms of diarrhea and vomiting. Some were rushed to the hospital while others were treated at home. Many remain in critical condition and the number of affected people continues to rise. In the wake of the crisis, Chief Minister Mohan Yadav ordered the removal of the Indore Municipal Commissioner Dilip Kumar Yadav and suspended two other officials. The government has offered 2 lakh rupees compensation to each of the victims' families. But for the people who have lost their loved ones, no amount of money can bring back the people they have lost. The tragedy in Indore is a stark reminder of how important it is to ensure that everyone has access to safe drinking water. In the end, this isn't just about politics, it's about people's lives. When things go wrong, the responsibility lies with those in charge to fix them. Now, the people of Indore need both answer and action.